Chegg stock is plummeting, and AI tools are the reason why. In this video, we're showing you exactly which AI tools are replacing expensive study platforms and how you can use them free or cheap. Chegg built a billion-dollar empire on homework help and textbook rentals. But AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity now do the same job instantly, cheaper, and better. Students get instant answers, explanations, and personalized learning without subscriptions. We're witnessing a major shift in edtech. ChatGPT solves complex problems with detailed explanations. Claude handles nuanced academic questions. Perplexity provides cited sources for research. Khan Academy AI tutors offer personalized learning paths. These tools are free or cost $20 a month versus Chegg's $150. Creators and freelancers benefit most by offering AI-powered tutoring services to clients. Upload your textbook chapters to ChatGPT, ask it to create practice questions. Use Claude to explain complex concepts in simple terms. Try Perplexity for research papers with actual sources cited. These workflows save hours. For freelancers, you can package these into tutoring services and charge clients premium rates. Smart creators are launching AI tutoring services on Fiverr, Upwork, and their own platforms. Offer personalized study plans, essay feedback, or concept breakdowns powered by AI. Your edge? Human touch combined with AI speed. Cost is near zero. Profit margins are massive. This is the future of online education. Drop a comment with e-donation. Drop creators are launching AI tutoring services on Fiverr, Upwork, and their own. Subscribe for more AI tools that disrupt industries.